So that's why when we talked about having kind of 5 videos to launch your channel with, we were talking about what are your FAQs. So what are the things that people are searching for that you provide a solution to?
Right.
And those are the things that are going to bring the traffic to you initially. And then once they're there, then it's how do I keep them here and start to earn that trust with my customer? And those storytelling videos of that nature you just described, those can work wonders once you already have the audience captivated.
Yeah, thank you for reminding because it's been a little bit of time. So I am still, the purpose of what we're doing and building, trying to hook people in and find me. Like that's the main.
We need people to find you first. If nobody knows you exist, then we're not getting anywhere with your business. So
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, and people are finding you face to face through your networking, and that's terrific.
Yeah.
But we want to broaden that a little bit, and have something for people to find about you in the digital space as well. So,
okay.
So that's kind of the strategy behind the FAQ stuff. Is people will be looking, they will be Googling that. Same as the example that with me that I sent. If you Google who's the most trusted YouTube coach in Calgary, well, now it will recommend me. I'll be served up by Google. And that's a result of an established digital footprint across different sites, different spaces that have what we call like LinkedIn, YouTube, all of these sites like that have high domain authority. And if you have an established presence anywhere that has a high domain authority, that's going to help feed AI and the AI search results. So
that's what you're reminding me in the messages you sent me. And did you have to help me get clear, because I'm not on defaulting naturally to thinking this way. From what you've had conversations with me all along, you'd mentioned that you see an opportunity for owning this domain in some way. Where do you see the gaps? Because I think you're far better at plugging into how this is working on the macro scale, and I'm so focused on what I'm trying to accomplish. I'm not seeing that opportunity, or I just don't feel like I can hold it or own it yet, or whatever the block is. So what would you tell me that space that's available? Where's the opportunity?
So remember a while back, if I remember correctly, but we were talking. Yeah, exactly. But we were talking about who do you serve and what is the advantage that you offer. And I remember talking about unique executive retreats in Calgary or something like that, which I think is probably the space that you're more likely to succeed in if you're playing in that space in the digital space in that arena, because that is who you want to serve, right?
And are they looking at YouTube for that? I guess I'm just. Or is it relational, or am I just thinking of Calgary? Maybe executives are searching things differently in the bigger global world, and I'm not seeing it.
Well, everybody, so they may not be going directly to YouTube, but that's the advantage, right? Is if they're asking Google on their phone, remember, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, owned by the first largest, which is Google. So they play well together. So by having that YouTube portfolio in response to some of those queries that those executives might be searching, then you turn up in the feed as the solution. So unique executive retreats in Calgary, that's hyper localized, and there isn't a lot of competition in the space.